Hey guys, so today me and Shasha, we went to Dollar General to get slime glue ingredient so we can make some slime. So yeah. So that's what I'm just going to show y'all me cooking slime. This is really the slime and make a bubble. Whoa man. And go like Shania's channel. Y'all don't saw her. Y'all know. Y'all watch my video. Y'all know her channel name. Here, down. I'm doing a video. I'll be right back, guys. So I'm gonna put I know what you do. Just do it in the video. You don't have, now I'll show you how to do it. Just do it in the video. You took a picture. Yeah. Okay. Guys. Okay, I'm back.
So hi guys. Today I am doing
She made